Welcome to the English Learning Vault. I'm Sophia. Today we have one clear goal: to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. That is the secret to speaking faster and feeling more confident. Ready, Michael?
Absolutely, Sophia. Hey everyone, I'm Michael. I still mess up sometimes, so I'm right there with you. We're keeping this light, simple, and practical. No heavy grammar lectures, promise.
Perfect. Okay, quick roadmap. We'll talk about the translation trap, then 3 hands-on tips. Think in pictures, imagine the situation, and talk to yourself. Plus a daily challenge you can try right after listening. Let's jump in.
But first, why even bother? Why not translate? Most of us translate because it's comfortable. It's like a safety net. But that safety net slows you down, makes you hesitate, and sometimes gives weird literal translations that sound odd in English.
Exactly. When you always translate, your brain adds extra steps. Native language thought, translation, speak. That delay makes conversations feel slow and awkward. If you can remove that middle step, you'll speak more naturally and with more confidence.
And, you're not alone. I used to, translate everything. I remember being in a cafe in Tokyo and pausing for ages because my brain was doing gymnastics between Japanese and English. So yeah, this is normal, but it can change.
Right. Okay, let's name it the translation trap. We'll keep it light, no shame. Think of it as a habit you can retrain. Ready to look at the first technique?
Ready. Tip 1. Think in pictures.
This is simple and powerful. Instead of thinking the English word and translating it back to your language, connect the English word directly to a mental image. For example, the word dog. Imagine your neighbor's brown dog running to you, tongue out, tail wagging. Don't think dog equals perro or dog equals chien. Think of the animal itself while the English word plays in your mind.
Let's try that together. I'll say a word and you picture it in English. No translation. Okay? Apple. Picture it.
See how your mouth wants to say apple automatically if the image is clear. Now try the next one, umbrella. Picture someone opening a bright umbrella in the rain.
If you do this repeatedly, your brain builds a direct link between the image and the English word. So when you want to talk about an apple or an umbrella, your brain doesn't need to detour into your native language.
This works with verbs and adjectives too. For run, picture yourself running, wind in your hair. For hungry, imagine this works with verbs and adjectives too. For run, picture yourself running, wind in your hair. For hungry, imagine a rumbling stomach and a plate of food. The stronger the image, the stronger the...
Quick practical tip. Use flashcards with pictures, not translations. Or label things around your home with pictures and the English word. Your phone camera is great for this. Take a photo of an object and say the word aloud in English every time you see it.
Also, when you learn new vocabulary, make a habit. First, describe the picture in English. Then, try using the word in a short sentence. For example, the small brown dog is sleeping on the couch. Don't translate. Describe the image.
And a caveat, don't try to visualize everything perfectly at first. It's okay to have simple, even silly images. The sillier, the more memorable sometimes. Picture a banana wearing sunglasses. That works.
Great. Tip 2. Imagine the situation. This goes beyond single words. It helps whole conversations. Before you speak, picture the scene. Where are you? What time is it? Who is there? What's the mood? Then speak from that image.
Let's role-play a short, simple scene. 2 friends planning evening plans after school. We'll do it twice. First without visualizing, then with visualization, and you'll hear the difference.
Okay, first take, no visualization. I'll start. Hey, do you want to do something after school?
Sure, maybe we go to the movie or eat? I don't know. See? Awkward. Lots of pauses, right?
Now, take two. Visualization first. Picture. It's Friday, 4:30 p.m. You and I are at school gate. Cool breeze, both a little hungry. Now, speak from that image.
Hey, Sophia, it's Friday. Do you want to grab pizza after school? There's a new place near the station.
That sounds perfect. What time? Maybe 6? We can meet at the station.
Hear the difference? When you imagine the whole situation first, words come faster because your brain already has context, location, time, feelings. You don't have to translate each idea.
Exactly. Visualization gives you a mini script in your head. You don't need to memorize lines. Just picture, then speak naturally. Try this when you're about to ask directions, order food, or talk to a classmate.
A quick exercise you can do anywhere. Pick a common situation. Buying coffee, asking about homework, greeting a neighbor. Close your eyes for 10 seconds, imagine the scene, then say 2 sentences aloud in English as if it's happening now.
Do that every day for a week, and you'll notice smoother speech. And don't worry about mistakes. The goal is fluency first, accuracy later. Your brain learns fastest when you're not stuck on every word.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself. This one is fun and a little weird, but it works. Narrate small actions in English. I am making tea. Now I open the window. Or ask yourself questions like, what should I do next?
Yes, narration trains your inner voice in English. Start with simple phrases about what you're doing right now. While cooking, I cut the tomato. I add salt. While walking, I see a red car. The sun is bright.
When I started doing this, I felt silly, talking to myself in English in the kitchen, but after a few weeks, I noticed my speaking was smoother during conversations. It helps because you're using English for thinking, not just for practice.
Oh, this morning I woke up late, and it helps because you're using English for thinking, not just for practice.
And if you feel self-conscious, whisper or use your phone's voice memo to record yourself. Listening back helps too. You'll catch patterns, notice repeated mistakes, and track improvement.
Another small habit, ask yourself simple questions in English throughout the day. What is the weather like? What time is it? Where did I put my keys? Answer aloud. It's practice disguised as normal life.
We should also mention mental rehearsal. Before meetings or presentations, silently talk through what you'll say in English. It calms nerves and primes your brain to think in English during the real event.
Okay, let's bring the tips together with a quick guided practice. I'll lead. Close your eyes if you can, or just soften your gaze. Breathe in. Now imagine you're at a small cafe. It's late afternoon. The smell of coffee. There's one empty table by the window. Picture the scene.
Now, in your mind, imagine you want to ask the barista a question. Don't translate. Think the scene and then say aloud, "Excuse me, can I have a medium latte, please?"
Good. Now imagine the barista asks if you want it hot or iced. Say aloud, "Hot, please." To go. Great! Those 2 lines came from a picture, not a translation.
If you did this with us, nice work. Repeat this short practice with other scenes. Bus stop, grocery store, classroom. The key is to imagine first, then speak.
All right, time for the daily challenge. We want something small, specific, and doable. Today's challenge, for the next 24 hours, narrate at least 5 actions in English out loud. Make them simple. I am washing my hands. I need milk. I will study at 7. Record them if you can.
And here's an extra. Pick one situation today, maybe ordering food or asking about homework, and visualize it for 10 seconds before you speak or practice it aloud. That's it. Small steps add up fast.
If you want to push further, replace one translated phrase you use often with a direct English image. For example, if you always say, I'm tired in your language first, practice the image of yawning and say, I'm tired in English.
Before we wrap, a few encouraging notes. Progress isn't linear. Some days you'll feel fluent, other days you'll feel stuck. Celebrate the small wins. Fewer pauses, faster replies, or simply feeling more comfortable thinking in English.
Also, mistakes are proof you're trying. Make them, laugh at them. Tell a friend about a funny translation you made. Humor helps your brain learn faster because it reduces stress.
Quick recap. Tip 1, think in pictures. Tip 2, imagine the situation before speaking. And tip 3, talk to yourself and narrate daily life. And the daily challenge, narrate 5 actions and visualize one situation today.
Before we close, Michael, do you have one personal tip for listeners?
Yeah, find a short English phrase or mini story you like and repeat it daily in your head as an image. For me, it was a small boat on a bright lake. I paired it with simple sentences, and it made speaking feel more natural and calm. Try your own.
Nice! My final tip, be patient and kind to yourself. Thinking in a new language is rewiring how your brain works. It's a big change, but with tiny, consistent practices, it becomes your default. You can do this.
Okay, listeners, try the challenge and tell us how it goes. Leave a comment. We love reading your comments, especially the funny ones.
If you liked this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to the English Learning Vault. It really helps us reach more learners. And if you want practice scripts or a printable challenge sheet, check the show notes.
We'll be back soon with another episode. We'll cover quick phrases to sound more natural in conversations. Spoiler, some of them are super short but powerful.
Thank you for spending time with us today. Remember, imagine, picture, and speak. Little by little, you'll think in English more naturally.
Bye for now, and good luck with the challenge. See you next time.
Bye!